Hey, what's up guys? MikeyDC here with Mikeydailycarry, and today I'm actually going to be taking a look at a new package that was sent to me by a company called LTC, also known as Live the Creed. They primarily sell first aid kits for your everyday use, or if you are in the medical field or in some type of law enforcement or any type of that background, they have great kits for you. In my case, I'm just a civilian, but recently I have been including a lot more first aid in my everyday carry because I myself carry. So I want to make sure that I am prepared in an event where I have to patch up any wounds, take care of any ouchie boo-boos, what have you. So there's gonna be two items that I'm gonna be taking a look at today. The first one is gonna be this guy right here. This is the Stash X EDC pouch. Now this is fairly new for them. I believe it's still in Kickstarter at the time of this video. And what's really cool about this is that it is made out of Dyneema. Dyneema is a very strong material. It kind of reminds me of like parachute material. It's super durable. I know it's white, it might get dirty, but this is made specifically for a first aid kit. More of like an ouchie boo-boo type scenario, but they do have different types of setups that you can support in the Kickstarter, or you can maybe have this as a trauma kit or a combination of both. In this case, this here is their Stash X first aid kit in white and red. Before we open it up and take a look at it, let's address some things on the exterior. This right here, like I stated, is Dyneema. This is Cordura right here, and the zipper is YKK AquaGuard zippers. It really gives this pouch an unmatched aesthetic and durability feel and look. You have this loop here, and along with their logo right there, where you can hook this onto a bag if you want to, maybe add a carabiner to this. If you want, on the back side, they actually have this integrated hook and loop section where you take that off. Maybe if you want to stitch this to one of your bags, you can do so, or pouches. And then this will just slap on to anything that has Velcro. Obviously, I'm not going to slap it on this, but this is the only Velcro I have within reach. And it just slaps onto there like so. Very strong and durable. That is a really nice option. I like that because a lot of the fanny packs and slings that I've been wearing have that hook and loop panel on the back, where if I have a hook featured accessory, I could just slap that on there, no problem. I don't have to worry about it. Put that back on there. Now let's open this up. Inside, various things like ibuprofen, sterile alcohol prep pads, an ouchie boo-boo kit that you can expect in a first aid kit. But they stack it out with so many things like sterile wipes. If you want to get all creative for your kids and have some designed, funny looking band-aids, you can do that as well. Different types and sizes of band-aids, burn gel, Steri-strips, more bandages, and then you actually have a face shield, because if you guys aren't aware, I am CPR certified. I want to make sure I am able to exhibit CPR safely if I need to do so on others. That is what is in the Stash X in white and red. They do have a goal that I believe that they hit, where it was multicam and green that they're going to be releasing in this, which is super cool. Can't wait to see that come out. Now, something I'm super excited about, and I think it's going to take a lot less space in my sling bags and fanny packs, is going to be this EDC Pocket Trauma Kit. And this is in multicam black and wolf gray. You have your LTC logo right there. This strap right here, along with the laser cut molly on the back, is the wolf gray. And you can put maybe some shears in here or a pocket knife. You can even attach this if you have a molly adapter, where you can put it on your bags like so. Really awesome. And then to get access to it, just pull up, reveal what's there, and there's that. So this is my first time taking a look at this, just as you guys are. Inside here, I actually requested for, so rather than a SWAT T tourniquet, I wanted to have them send me the ETQ Everyday Carry Tourniquet from Snake Staff. And I have one of these already. I actually have one of these that lives in one of my fanny packs. They do have a wider size. I don't think you can request for a wider size. I think it's just either the standard ETQ or a SWAT T tourniquet that you can have in this kit. And then on the back side of this elastic band right here, you have a smaller size of what comes in the First Aid Stash X that they have compacted in this small little Ziploc bag. On the bottom side, which is right here, you have bare nitrile gloves, and you also have Quick Clot. This is a much smaller one, so it's rolled in 3" by 3x4, and to have something this size in here while you have a tourniquet, essential stop the bleed, while you have your gloves, and then you have your little small pack for first aid. I like that. I like all the stuff that comes in here. Now, this I also have seen been used as a wallet. It's a lot slimmer once it's not packed up with a lot of things. It can just form to the cards that you may have in here. Even if you have a card holder, you could probably just slip that into one of these elastic bands while having your other medical equipment here. I've also seen that on YouTube, and I thought that was pretty handy. Another thing I also wanted to address was that this little hole right here provides an access for maybe a lanyard that you want to put on here, or another section where you can hang this on via carabiner, on a bag, pouch, or something like that. But those are two things that were sent to me by LTC. I just reached out to them because I really like what they were doing with their pouches and their gear, and I wanted to include that in my everyday carry setup. So you guys are definitely going to see these more in my loadouts. But just wanted to give you guys a first look of what that is. This is Mikey Messina with Mikey Daily Carry, hoping to influence you with everyday carry. If you like what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment even, because that definitely keeps this type of content in the algorithm. And I thank you guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Pow.